Okay, so here we are. These are the extra examples for section 7.2, decimals and percents. So the first part of this problem is number 16, is to write each percent as a decimal. Now remember, percent means out of 100, so 166% means 166 out of 100. Now if we were to reduce that, that would give us, I don't know, 83 out of 50. There's our fraction. But this is a percent, I need to divide this out. I mean, sorry, it's a decimal. I need to divide it out. So really what that just means is 166 divided by 100. And what a lot of you may remember, or you looking at it may remember, is, oh yeah, dividing by 100 means just move the decimal point 2 places to the left. So it's 1.66 as a number. Okay. So again, it's dividing by 100 means move it over 2 places. Well, here it is 166%, so move it over 2 places to the left. All right, there we go. All right then, next problem. Number 26. Number 26. Now write this one as a percent. Okay. Again, we could think of this as, okay, percent over 100 equals our number. Well, it was a fraction before. Now it's just the number. That's what we have. This is a decimal. So P over 100 equals 5.43. So to solve for this, multiply both sides by 100. Or what you may remember again is the trick. Move it 2 places to the right. So 543%. Okay, great. And then last one we'll take a look at. I'm sorry, I got 2 more to look at, 34 and 38. Okay, so 34. First one, look at here. Next one, 34. 30% of high school freshmen chose apples as their favorite fruit in a survey. Strawberries were chosen by 0.03 of students, and 1/3 chose watermelon. Which group is the largest? Explain. Well, you could kind of cheat in this one. You don't have to use percents. You just got to know which one's a bigger number, 0.03 or 1/3. But we can convert this to percent, which is kind of what they're anticipating us to do, or at least to decimal, and then think about it as a percent. So 0.03 as a number, move it to a percent, move it 2 to the right, is 3%. So only 3% of students like strawberries. Now the next thing is 1/3 chose watermelon. So the question is, what percent is 1/3? Well, 1/3, if I divide 1 by 3, goes into it 0 times. But it does go into 10 3 times. And then hopefully you would catch, oh hey, this is just going to repeat. So this is 0.33333, which is 33.3 repeating percent. So which one's more popular? Watermelon. Why? Higher percent. Okay, and last one for this section, number 38, order from least to greatest. To be honest, I think the easiest thing to do here is to make all 3 of these a percent and look to see which one's the biggest percent. 0.23 as a decimal, move it 2 places to the right, is 23%. We've already got 28%. Now the question is, how much is 4/15? Well, remember it's a fraction. The easiest way to do that is percent over 100 equals 4 over 15. And then just simply cross multiply and solve for P. I mean, that's how I would treat it. 15P equals 400. Divide by 15. Unfortunately, 400 and 15 don't have anything in common other than a 5, which would give this then 80 and this 3, which does make our division a little bit easier when we do 80 divided by 3. Goes in this twice for 6. 20, well, that means it's going to go in just 6 times for 18, and then it's going to start repeating. So this is 26.6 repeating percent. Okay. So the smallest number was the 0.23. Then it was the 26.6%, which is the 4/15, and the biggest one's 28%. So we have here then 23% is the smallest, I'm sorry, strike that. 0.23 is the smallest, then 4/15, and then 28%. Okay. All right, so yeah, that'll be that section there, section 7.2.